I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start in Settings Accessibility. This is where the accessibility shortcut lives. Once there, make sure your iPad OS is up to date and that you know your passcode, because some options require confirmation. Now tap Accessibility Shortcut and pick the feature you want the button to toggle. Choose one item for single press control or several if you want a menu. After selecting, exit Settings. You've completed the first actionable step toward an on-screen accessibility button. Next, configure the on-screen button via AssistiveTouch AssistiveTouch. Turn AssistiveTouch on, you'll immediately see a floating button appear. Once visible, customize its top-level menu to include the accessibility shortcut or specific controls you need, and assign single tap, double tap, or long press actions for quick access. This is where you tailor behavior for your workflow, so make deliberate choices. Once done, practice tapping to ensure the button performs the expected functions. To finish, thoroughly test single tap, double tap, and long press behaviors to confirm the accessibility shortcut appears as intended. If you prefer quick access, add AssistiveTouch to Control Center via Settings Control Center for an alternate entry point. If the button doesn't show or actions fail, restart the iPad first. If problems persist, reset accessibility settings or toggle AssistiveTouch off and on. That should resolve most issues. If not, a full settings reset will restore defaults and allow you to start configuration again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.